Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel heading freeze. This powerful feature allows you to keep important headings, like your top row or first column, always in view. Imagine working with a spreadsheet containing hundreds of rows. Freezing panes ensures you never lose sight of what each column represents. It's a simple yet incredibly effective tool for enhancing your data analysis and overall productivity. To freeze just your top row, navigate to the View tab in Excel. Then, locate the Freeze Panes button and click its drop-down arrow. From the options presented, simply select Freeze Top Row. This instantly locks your first row, ensuring that your column headers remain visible no matter how far down you scroll through your data. It's perfect for lists with many entries. If your data extends widely across many columns, freezing the first column is incredibly useful. Just like before, head over to the View tab. Click on the Freeze Panes drop-down and this time, choose Freeze First Column. This action locks your initial column, allowing you to scroll right or left without losing sight of your row identifiers. It's a great way to keep context in wide tables. For more advanced freezing, you can lock both rows and columns simultaneously. First, select the cell that is one row below and one column to the right of where you want the freeze to occur. For instance, to freeze the first two rows and the first column, select cell B3. Then, go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, and choose the top Freeze Panes option. This locks everything above and to the left of your selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.